Hey everybody, my name is Niku and welcome to the Trading Setup channel where we explore the world of trading. And in this video, I will talk about 3 news events during which trading most often turns into a pure lottery. If you watch to the end, you will start protecting not only your account, but also your nervous system. Watch till the end and always go get a coffee when the release time of these news items is approaching. The first piece of news that deserves special respect at a safe distance is the US non-farm payrolls report, known as NFP. At this moment, the market seems to lose its sense of proportion. The numbers are released, algorithms trigger instantly, and the price starts jumping as if it does not know where to run. Even if the data looks logical, the reaction can be completely opposite. So why does this happen? Because the market reacts not to the numbers themselves, but to expectations, revisions of past data, and the comments that follow. In the first minutes after the release, the movement is often choppy with sharp spikes in both directions. In such moments, it is wiser to simply observe and let the market catch its breath. Before continuing, I want to remind you about the free club I created for those who want to grow in a systematic way. There you will find setups, results of executions by me and subscribers, detailed materials on psychological preparation for trading, as well as an interactive table for account management based on the martingale principle. You enter an amount and the table calculates the sequence of steps and help maintain control even on difficult days. All of these materials are free, but it's updated regularly, so it's better to get them while they're there. Links in the description below this video. The second piece of news is the interest rate decision. Here the market becomes especially emotional. Before the decision is released, the price may freeze in tense expectation, and at the moment of publication, a real dance of passions begin. And it is not only the number itself that matters here. Sometimes the decisive role is played by the tone of the regulator's comments. One word, one phrase, and the market's mood changes instantly. Quite often the first reaction turns out to be false and the real direction forms later. That is why trading at such moments resembles a heated argument where it's better to stay silent than to say too much. The third piece of news that beginners often underestimate is inflation data, such as the Consumer Price Index. These numbers directly affect expectations about future policy of regulators, so the market reacts to them very sharply. The price may jerk sharply right after the release and then digest the received information for a long time. During this period, movements often look illogical. Levels stop working, indicators lag, and the familiar structure breaks down. This is not an analysis mistake and not a bad strategy. It is simply a moment where the market lives by its rules. In all of these situations, there is one common feature. The market becomes excessively sensitive. It reacts not to the technical picture, but to crowd emotions and the work of algorithms. That is why the best choice at such moments is not to participate. Step aside, take a breath, and give the market time to return to balance. Sometimes the most mature action in trading is to do nothing. It is important to understand that refusing to trade at certain hours is not a weakness, and it's not a missed opportunity. It is caring about yourself and your own resources. The market is not going anywhere. Opportunities appear every day, but calmness and clarity of thinking take much longer to recover. Now the good news. If you want to see live trading, real intraday analysis, ready setups, strategies and settings, you can join my work in real time. I hold trading sessions where I explain the logic of actions and show specific situations of price development. To get access, just write to me. The contact is in the description below this video. And of course, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episodes. Here, you will find a systematic approach, market logic, and detailed breakdowns that will help you not guess the movement, but understand why price behaves the way it does. I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, may the pips be with you.